Hello student, good morning. I hope you are fine and fit. Today we have discussed about the lesson 36 music on my mind. But you know that I have given homework in previous online class. I hope you have learned proper way. Now, today we have discussed about the lesson 36 music on my mind. So, see. Okay, first is trumpet. This musical instrument is made of brass and is played by blowing air through the funnel speed mouthpiece. And this musical instrument based on blowing of air, trumpet. Now next, second number. Second is a tabla. This Indian musical instrument consists of two small drums that is played while sitting on the floor, mostly for classical and folk music. Actually, tabla is a pair of twin hand drum from the Indian subcontinent. Since 18th century, tabla has been the principal percussion instrument in Hindustani classical music, where it may be played solo as other instruments and vocals. Tabla is also an important instrument in the bhakti devotional traditions of Hinduism and Sikhism, such as during bhajan and kirtan singing. Next is piano. This musical instrument was invented in Italy. You know that this means piano instrument invented in Italy in the early 18th century and it is played by pressing keys on a keyboard. Means they invented in near about early 18th century and invented in Italy and played by the pressing of key on a keyboard. Okay, on a keyboard they pressing and then music release. Okay, next is vibraphone. A vibraphone, also known as the vibraharp, this musical instrument is part of the percussion family. It is played by striking the bars with two or more soft mallets, especially designed sticks. Vibraphone is a musical instrument in the stuck idiophone subfamily of the percussion family. It consists of tuned metal bar and it's usually played with holding two or four soft mallets and striking the bar. A person who plays the vibraphone is called vibronist or vibraharpist or vibist. Next one is a piccolo and its name means small flute and is a member of the woodwind family of musical instruments. This high-pitched instrument is used in orchestra and military bands. Actually, the piccolo is an Italian pronunciation, Italian for compact but named Ottavino in Italy, is a half-sized flute and is a member of the woodwind family of musical instruments. The modern piccolo has most of the same figurines as its larger sibling, the standard transverse flute, but the sound is produced is an octave higher than written, and this gave rise the name Ottavino, Italian for little octave, which the instrument is called. Scores of Italian composers is also called the flauto piccolo or flutino. Next one is a sitar. This stringed Indian musical instrument is named after the Persian instrument shehtar, meaning three strings. It is means sitar is a plucked stringed instrument originating from the Indian subcontinents. It is used in Hindustani classical music. The instrument was invented in the medieval India and flourished in the 16th and 17th century and arrived at its present form in 18th century India. Used widely throughout the Indian subcontinent, the sitar became popularly known in the wider world through the works of Ravi Shankar beginning the late 1950s and early 1960s. In the 1960s, a short-lived trend across for the use of sitar in Western popular music, with the instrument appearing on tracks by bands such as the Beatles, the Doors, the Rolling Stones, Metallica, and others. Next is a banjo. This instrument possibly originated in Africa continent and belongs to the same family as the guitar, sitar, etc. Banjo is played with the fingers and it is a plucked string instrument. The banjo is a stringed instrument with a thin membrane stretched over a frame or cavity to form a resonator. The membrane is typically circular and usually made of plastic or occasionally animal skin. Early forms of the instrument were fashioned by the African American in the United States, adapted from African instrument of similar design. The banjo is frequently associated with the folk and country music. Banjo can also be used in some rock song. Many rock bands such as the Eagles, Led Zeppelin, and the Allman Brothers have used the five-string banjo in some of their songs. Historically, the banjo occupied a central place in African American traditional music and the folk culture of rural whites before entering the mainstream via the minstrel show of the 19th century. Now all students write homework of lesson 36 music on my mind. Homework is learn answer the following questions of lesson 36. Learn answer the following questions of lesson 36. And I request you, all of you, you have to write name, class and section in comment box for your attendance. Most of the student watch the video but not write name, class and section in comment box. So I request you, all of you, write after watching the video, you have to write name, class and section in comment box for your attendance. And whatever you got the homework, whatever we have completed the lesson, you have to write all classwork or homework in proper way and learn also. So God bless you, best of luck.